Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have a couple things I got from Amazon. Something that I'll be needing. Well, I wanted it, so I needed it. Y'all know I recently made tofu for the first time, and I love it. And that's the craziest video. When my husband, he tasted it. He came in the kitchen. I asked him to taste it. I just knew he was going to love it. And he came in the kitchen with a scowl on his face, frowning. Then he was holding the tofu chicken nugget in his hand, just frowning and looking at it. Anyway, he didn't like it. He said he didn't like it, but he made up his mind ahead of time. He wasn't going to like it. Well, anyway, I bought a tofu press, because I froze mine and I drained the water out by putting a weight on it and just pressing down on it. So I said, I don't want to do that. Now let me see. I don't know why they don't put the name of tofu press. Okay, this is called tofu press. That wasn't the real name of it. Well, anyway, I'll put the real name, brand name of it in my description box. And this particular one is designed to work with 12 to 16 ounce bricks of tofu. Okay, they got one smaller than this, but the tofu that I buy, they're 14 ounces. So I got this one. It's the large. Comes with the tofu recipe booklet, little video booklet. Can y'all read that writing? Lord have mercy. And how much? 100% satisfaction guarantee. And they got a phone number. 2-year warranty on this. Okay, that's good. Plus, if something don't work right, you can always send it back. Well, most stuff you can send back to Amazon. Some stuff they ain't gonna let you. Okay. Packaged up nicely. This is how it looks. It came with a spring inside of here. Okay, this is how it's made. This is where the tofu, no it don't. The tofu itself goes in this thing. It got holes in the bottom of it so the water can be pressed out and the water will be collected in this part. It comes with this spring. They say it's stainless steel. It don't look like stainless steel to me. It got a little circle right here, so you can put the spring in here. This part where the tofu goes, it goes on top of the spring. Okay? Put the tofu in here. Then you put that. See if I can do this with one hand. Well, anyway, I gotta do it this way. You press down. Now the tofu is in that center area. And it got handles on each side that you press down and clamp shut. I'm having trouble because I'm trying to use one hand. Let me try to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I got on one of my merch t-shirts, y'all. My chicken wing. Lower it some more. Do it that way. Okay, look at that. Press down. And then press down on this side. And mind you, the tofu will be in the center part. Okay, I will be using this. I got tofu thawed out in my refrigerator now. I've been wanting to make some more tofu nuggets, but I was holding off because I wanted to show y'all this. And I missed a couple days doing videos because I want to show y'all how I made my, I was going to make beef stew. I want to show y'all how I made my, well, it's beef and vegetable soup now. But I said I never will get nothing done when I didn't do videos because I was waiting to do the beef vegetable soup on camera, but I wound up not fixing it 2 days, okay? So I didn't even do a video. So this morning I got up bright and early, 8 o'clock, I just put my food on. So at least we'd have food today and I can have a video to show y'all. But anyway, this is how it works. And I'm going to wash it good and then put my tofu in here. Okay. So my second thing I got from Amazon is this Holstein Housewares 6-count cupcake maker. I like the brand Holstein Housewares. I got an omelet maker, and I think I got something else by them. Anyway, and this does more than just make cupcakes. A lot of times when I make a soup or some beans or something, and I want to make cornbread, I don't feel like doing all that. I just don't. So this came packaged up nicely. And let me see how long this cord is. It has a 2-prong plug. And this one also comes in the 6 cupcake. I mean, this is a 6 cupcake maker. It also comes in the 12 cupcake maker, but I don't need all that. And this makes full-size cupcakes or cornbread or biscuits or little pizzas or whatever. This will cook more than just cupcakes. So it has a non-stick inside finish. So don't go getting your cupcakes out of here with a fork or a knife because you'll mess up that finish. Use a silicone spatula or tongs or something. So I think I'll cook cornbread or something more often if I ain't got to be doing too much. And this will cook. You can put your cupcake papers in here if you want to. And I don't know if I will or not, but you're supposed to put your batter in there or your biscuit or whatever. Lock this little, I got the little clamp on there, you close it, and these lights will come on. You got a red light and a green light. I'm gonna do it now. turn it on. Take this thing off. I love my kitchen gadgets, y'all. I do. Okay. Y'all see the lights on? Well, they're on. Let me see. The orange one is on. It's an orange light and a green light. And right now the orange one is on. And when this is heated up enough, the orange one will go off and the green one will come on, I believe. I don't know. But anyway, it got 2 lights. And I haven't read the book that came with it. So I ain't cooking nothing right now, so I'm going to unplug it. And I do feel it heating up. And from what I understand, from what other people say, the top will get hot. And if you happen to touch that metal part right there, that's hot now. So just touch the part you're supposed to. That's the handle. I feel the heat, yeah. So I know it works. And it came with this booklet. Holstein Housewares CUPCAKE Maker. So I can't wait to use it. I got some biscuits in my fridge now. I might stick them in there. I'll say that for another day. But anyway, this is the extent of my small Amazon haul. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to see what I can hold up for my thumbnail. No, I didn't drop both of them and toe them up. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Be blessed.